On 7th October, inter-house Rangoli competition in junior and card making, diya and candle decoration were organized in pre-primary classes. 24 अक्टूबर को नक्स यानी नेचुरल क्रिएटिव स्कूल ऑफ आगरा के बैनर तले हिंदी पखवाड़ा के अंतर्गत लेखन कौशल में कहानी एवं निबंध लेखन तथा व्याकरण की अंतर विद्यालयी प्रतियोगिता कराई गई। इसी क्रम में 2 अक्टूबर को ब्रेन ट्री स्कूल यूनिट 2 में बाल कवि सम्मेलन का आयोजन किया गया। In the same sequence, in Literary Festival on 11th November, English written in KD Public School and English poem recitation in Braintree School 1 was held. To promote creativity, boost confidence and develop public speaking skills, on 27th November, Fancy Dress Show was organized. On the occasion of Constitution Day, poetry composition of Constitution presented by the student of class 6 to 8. On 29th November, the student of class 8 were taken out on tour for both new and old buildings of Parliament House, recognized as a symbol of democracy. Despite of the long winter vacation break extending into January, the children celebrated Republic Day with great enthusiasm and fervor with children's activities. To encourage students to think critically, solve complex problems, and apply mathematical concepts creatively, Maths Olympiads was held on 11th February, in which even first and second grade students participated and delivered excellent performance. To promote hand-on learning, encourage creativity and innovation, enhance communication skills and foster collaboration, science exhibition was held on 24th February, in which students presented magnificent models with detailed explanation. Along with this, to build self-confidence and self-esteem, cognitive development stimulates curiosity and imagination and promotes social skills from early age. Many activities are also held in pre-primary classes like fruit day, vegetable day, shapes and science organ activities, card making on Raksha Bandhan, Deepavali and Mother's Day, fun games and chocolate making on Christmas Day, etc. देवियों और सज्जनों, ब्रेन ट्री स्कूल की दूसरी शाखा जाजऊ तिरावली में विगत 2 वर्षों से सेवाएं प्रदान कर रही है। विगत वर्ष कक्षा 10वीं के छात्रों द्वारा CBSE बोर्ड की परीक्षाओं में किया गया प्रदर्शन विद्यालय के अनवरत प्रयासों का प्रतिफल है। हमें यह बताते हुए बड़ा हर्ष हो रहा है कि इस वर्ष ब्रेन ट्री स्कूल जाजऊ डे बोर्डिंग के साथ ही 50 बच्चों के लिए हॉस्टल सुविधा आरंभ कर रहा है। बच्चों को उनकी पाठ्येतर गतिविधियों के साथ ही NDA और सिविल सर्विसेज की तैयारियां भी कराई जाएंगी। In the last, as I conclude this report, let us stand united in the proud realization that each achievement, every challenge overcome, and all the shared moments of growth have contributed to the rich tapestry of our Brain Tree School community. Together we look forward to promise of tomorrow, where the seeds of knowledge we have planted today will continue to flourish and shape the future with brilliance and purpose. Last but not the least, I conclude my annual report with a small quote. Education is not just acquiring knowledge. Education is not just acquiring knowledge, but about igniting minds and shaping future. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, over to the kids.